Welcome to the Blenbridge tutorial number 3. A list of tasks. This tutorial is based on the crankshaft demo in the Blenbridge documentation, Demo 17. This pattern had thickness for the purpose of quality testing. Checking to see that the circle is coplanar with the flange face by comparing z-axis coordinates. The first 3 inner radii are related to the backside fillet, and the 4th marks the front side boss location. I will take care of the rest of the conversion off screen. Mirroring the face pattern. It is necessary for the face normals to agree on both halves, otherwise extrusion will be in 2 different directions. On this layer I have a copy of the original flange and a flattened edge that marks the extrusion distances of the boss, the hole bottoms, and the back fillet points. First comes the extrusion of the edges. Then comes the duplication of the faces, normal to those edges. The stepped boss with floor highlighted here can be exposed by removing faces by any method I choose. The fillet channel shown here at the back of the flange needs to be exposed. Any method that reveals the walls and floor can be used. Here are shown two partitions saved from the fillet area, which will be used to construct an array generating body. I make one slight angle modification. Now to repeat the process on the other partition. To position a copy of the first partition precisely would be even slower than rebuilding from scratch. The two partitions will not be exact copies, but they will be equalized. Testing and tweaking the geometry of an array before deploying it is a useful trick. Just two instances is enough to check the geometry. The array must be applied. Here is the point. The generating body will not spawn identical instances as it is, but after merging points, it will. Now it looks good. The second instance can be destroyed and a new full-sized array applied. I check the Merge checkbox in the Array Properties panel, but that doesn't guarantee sound points. The appearance of the array is good. Eliminating an edge loop that will no longer be used. Preparing to receive the array by making existing points have the right z-value. All of the points along the new joint must be checked for soundness, and the remove doubles command can't help here. While off screen, I finished checking all the fillet partition points. I exported from Blender in .ply format, converted with Blenbridge, and got mesh built by Gmesh, and imported into ParaView. The quality is good, however there is another issue. The regular representation view shows inclusions in two areas of the fillet structure. These need to be fixed. The mesh needs hole bottoms. I find out the extrusion distances for the hole bottoms. I have a set of hole bottoms left over from the demo. I join them to the mesh. And then the normal extrusion routine. Since some of the hole bottom extrusions were done blind, I had better inspect the situation. It looks okay. I'm going to beautify the mesh with some extra cuts. This would have been more easily done during the flange creation extrusion. It seems that Key Monitor can't keep up with fast numerical keystrokes. The quality level has not changed. It is acceptable. Also, there are no signs of inclusions or discontinuities inside the mesh. Thanks for watching.